If you are looking for a way you can make money daily using MTN Mobile Money, then this video is for you. In 2025, transform your finances by watching this video. Now, this video is actually about a product which is a collaboration between Fidelity Bank and MTN Mobile Money. So if you're using Airtel, Tigo or Telecel, unfortunately, this video is not for you. But if you're using MTN, then take out your phones and then let's talk about a way to change your financial future. So how does this work? Now, basically, it's a product called MTN Yello Save, which is what? MTN Yello Save. Now, MTN Yello Save, as I said, is a product, a collaboration between Fidelity Bank and then the MTN Mobile Money, which allows you to deposit money into a high interest savings account, which is managed by the Fidelity Bank. And then the great part about it is that you can automate it such that MTN will deduct money daily, weekly, or monthly from your mobile money and deposit it into the high interest saving account, which is at Fidelity Bank. Now, what basically happens is that at the end of the year, you get 8% interest per annum on your savings. And the great part about it is that, for example, let's say you buy credits for 20 cedis or 30 cedis. You can decide, okay, now I'm going to reduce it and buy 5 cedis less than what I buy, which is 15 cedis. And I'll tell MTN, okay, MTN, deduct 5 cedis from my Momo and deposit it into the account. And so before you even realize, at the end of the year, you have some money there that you didn't even actively save because it's happening automatically. That is the great part about it. And so what you need to do is to take part of this. Now, if you are now ready to take part of this, just take out your phones. Now, go to your MTN Mobile Money, you dial *170#. That's a *170#, and then we'll go to financial services, which is number 5. Now, if you go to financial services, we'll go to savings. So now when you go to savings, you'll see Yello Save there. Select Yello Save, then go to register and create an account, accept the terms and conditions. Now, when you go through the whole process, it'll ask you to create a PIN. So create a PIN, a 4-digit PIN, then you will do it again to confirm, and that is it. It will ask you to deposit 2 cedis to create the account. Just do that. Now, when you are done, it will send you a text message from MTN telling you that, okay, you have registered onto the Yello Save platform. Then afterwards, you need to create a savings plan. The savings plan is what is going to allow MTN to deduct the money daily or weekly or monthly for you. Now, I have a more detailed video on YouTube at Daily News Hype. You can go and check it out. Or if you want to do it now, all you need to do is that just dial the *170# again, go to financial services, number 5, go to savings. Then you go to Yello Save. Then take you to Yello Save menu, and now go to the create a savings plan. Now create the savings plan. Tell MTN how much you want. So you can choose daily, weekly, or monthly. Choose according to your strength. Then if it is 5 cedis a week or 5 cedis a month, just do that. Because it's always better to start small and be consistent or than to start big and stop. You can always go back and increase your savings plan. There's no problem with that. But it's better to do an amount you know that you can always, even if it's even 1 cedi, it's better than nothing at all. Alright? So just do it consistently, and then don't forget to follow, share and save. So that anytime you want to see this again, you can come back and do so. See you guys next time.